Hello students, today we want to discuss assessment of the speaking and listening. Dear students, assessment of speaking and listening known as ASL. In all the CBSE affiliated schools, assessment of speaking and listening has been in operation since 2012 as a part of curriculum, as a part of the syllabus for the classes 12th, classes 11th, 10th and 9th. The assessment of the speaking and listening in almost all classes are made out of 20 marks. 10 marks for the speaking skill, 10 marks for the assessment of the listening skill. Dear student, we want to discuss as examination point of view both the skill. The assessment of the learners, I mean to say that students. The assessment of the students is made through the two skills, speaking skills or listening skill. The assessment of the speaking skill, there are three tasks which are given to the students to show their competency for the speaking skills, for the pronunciation, for the accuracy, for the fluency, for the interaction. Dear students, in the first task, it is the duration of 1 minute. The assessment of a learner in form of the self presentation. For example, a candidate is in front of a teacher and a teacher would like to assess the speaking skill through the self presentation. How? Hi students, what's your good name? Sir, I am Rahul Setia. I am pursuing my education in 11th standard. And what is the aim of your life? I want to become a doctor. I want to become a successful doctor. So this is a presentation given by the candidate for 1 minute. It is interaction between the teacher and the student for 1 minute. The second task, it is the task of 4 or 5 minutes duration. Topic presentation. There are two students, candidate A and candidate B. While making the assessment of the speaking skill in front of a teacher, there are two candidates, candidate A and candidate B. A task is given for the topic presentation. Now, example. Good morning, sir. I am Rahul Setia. I would like to express my valuable views about my topic, rising prices and modern living. All of you know that the prices of essential commodities are rising day by day at a alarming stage. It has broken the backbone of Indian poor class and middle class. It's a matter of great concern. So it is the topic presentation. When the topic of the candidate is over, the another topic is given to the candidate B. Good morning, sir. I am candidate B. So and so. I would like to express my topic about the online teaching. Online teaching has become a fashion in the COVID-19 durations, and it has become very much common among the learners. So both candidates have to speak their topics for 4 or 5 minutes. The third task is the problem solving task. There are two candidates. They have to express their dialogues while interacting each other, while making the conversation, while talking that. Suppose a task is given to them. For example, the problem of the online teaching, online learning. This topic has been given to two candidates. Suppose candidate A is Varsha, candidate B is Avni, and a teacher would like to assess their problem solving task. It is the duration of 3 or 4 minutes. Both candidates have to interact. Both candidates have to make conversation for 3 or 4 minutes through speaking their respective dialogues. Suppose topic is given. Hi Varsha, how are you? Avni, me fine, and what's about you? Today we have got a topic to discuss about the problem of online teaching, online learning. Oh, this is a big problem. There are many hurdles and obstacles in this program. Oh, I see. It's a very boring process of the teaching. And there is no time. We have to see plenty of videos and audios. That's quite boring. Oh, same here. So they have to make the interaction for 3 or 4 minutes. Students, these are three tasks. All the three tasks, the duration of 10 or 12 minutes, maximum marks 10s, and both candidates assessment is made through the speaking skill. And how to improve the speaking skill? How to improve this? Now the question rises, how to improve the speaking skill? There are some important points which are to be remembered for the improvement of the speaking skill. This is pronunciation, fluency, vocabulary, language accuracy, interaction and group discussion. The voice samples are taken for assessment. Both candidates have to give their voice samples, and while making the assessment or marks, all these things are assessed. Students, candidates, all these parameters are assessed. Students, I will provide you a sample audio I have recorded last year, and I have made a conversation while interacting to my two candidates, and this audio will be supplied to you after this video. Students, now the listening skill. We have discussed the speaking skill, 10 marks. Second, listening skill. What is the listening skill? Listening skill, the learners, the students are only silent listener. Audio is played in front of them for 40 minutes. एक 40 मिनट का ऑडियो विल बी प्लेड बिफोर द स्टूडेंट्स, एंड स्टूडेंट्स आर द साइलेंट लिसनर. एंड जस्ट बिफोर द ऑडियो, students are given a worksheet of 10 or 20 questions. There are 4 tasks in the worksheet में 4 टास्क होते हैं, 4 पैसेज होते हैं, 4 डायलॉग होती है, 4 कन्वर्सेशन होती है. On the basis of 4 tasks in 40 minutes, there are various type of questions are assessed. Multiple choice questions, yes or no question, true and false questions, fill in the blanks and tick yes, cross. Or you have to answer all the questions which are given in the worksheet after listening the audio. And on the basis of your listening skill, the announcements, the news and the advertisements, the movies and the situations are played in front of you, and you have to listen and assess and answer the questions. This is the assessment of the this is the assessment of the listening skill. Now the question rises once again, how to improve the listening skills? Whatever I have come to learn through my experience, we have to listen the TV videos, movies, we have to listen the radios, we have to listen the English news, we have to listen the announcements, we have to listen the radios. We can enhance our listening skills. So dear students, the listening skill is also 10 marks, speaking skill 10 are total 20 marks. This is the part of examination. It is prescribed in the syllabus. All the students of class 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th are assessed. And this is the part of internal assessment of the school curriculum. This is the part of the summative examinations. And these marks are added in the final examinations. Okay students, thank you. Have a good day.